Now that I'm done with my brows, I'm just going to set the product I have on my list with that same translucent powder I used to set the concealer in place. I'm going to be using this color as my transition on my base color. I'm just going to apply this all over my crease. Thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be applying this darker shade of brown into my crease. I'm going to be using this fluffy brush to blend out, so it blends seamlessly into the first transition color that I applied. I'm going to be doing the same thing in the other eye. I'm going to be doing a mini cut crease. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using this bright color, the one I applied earlier on my crease, to set that eyeshadow base in place. I'm going to be going in with this color, with this glittery looking eyeshadow on that crease. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I love liners. This is the liner I'm gonna be using, my all-time favorite. Now that my eyes are lined, the next thing I like to do is to pop in my lashes. This step is totally optional. You do not have to wear lashes to feel beautiful. I personally just love me some false lashes, so do you, boo? Now I'm going to be applying mascara to my upper and bottom lashes. This is going to help my natural lashes blend with my false lashes. Now it's time to glam this face up with a highlighter and a blush. Let's get this face popping. First, I love to apply my highlighter before applying my blush, and the reason for that is because when I apply my highlighter first before going in with my blush, it just made the harsh line from my highlighter very subtle, and I love that look. Ooh. Now I'm going to be applying my blush on top of that. I'm feeling myself. I love to apply a little bit on the tip of my nose. Highlighter. This face is popping. Look at that glow. Next, you should do your lips. If you want to apply lipstick, you should apply your lipstick, but for this look, I think I'm popping, so I don't think I need a lip color. So I'm just going to line my lip with this brown pencil. I'm just going to go on top of that with a lip gloss. Please like this video, ensure that you share with a friend if you find this video informative and educative, or if you've benefited from this video in one way or the other. Please hit that like button and share with a friend. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.